This is the second part of it. Now, if you're still not sure, so we established that these are the doubles and these are the events that we're looking for to solve the problem. So if we count them up, there are 6. Okay, so there are 6 events. But what we don't know is how many possible outcomes are there. So to solve that, what we need to do is we're going to find out the outcomes. So outcomes, we will model the question. Okay, now to model a question, we can do it in a number of ways. One's a table, one's a tree graph. I'm going to use a tree graph. So the first dice, if we roll it, is a 1. Okay, we get that on the dice. The second dice, the possibilities are another 1. It could be a 2, could be a 3, could be a 4, could be a 5, or it could be a 6. So there are 6 possible outcomes. If the first die is a 2, the other possibilities are a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. Again, 6 different possibilities. If we roll the 3, is the first one we roll. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6 could be the possibilities for the second dice. We can do a 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. If we roll a 5 first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the possibilities of the other roll. And if we do a 6 first, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these are all the possibilities of the dice being rolled. This is the first dice, this is the possibilities of the second dice. If the first dice is a 2, they are the other possibilities. Okay, so they're all the possibilities found. And we can look through and find our doubles. So 1 and 1, a 2 and a 2, 3 and a 3, a 4 and a 4, a 5 and a 5, and a 6 and a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are the events that we found. And the outcomes here, we've got 6, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, and 6 here. So what we've got is we've got 6 events out of a total of 36 outcomes, which therefore gives us a 1 in 6 chance, or a 16.7% chance of throwing doubles. Okay, so that's how we solve it. And if we go back to our criterion C, we can have a look here and find out if we've done each of these different things. So the first one is using the mathematical terms and notation. So we've got mathematical terms in here. We're modeling the question. We've got events. We've got outcomes. We've got like the chance in here. So we've used our most mathematical vocabulary there. We've used different representations. Okay, so here we've got it, the representation as a fraction, and we've got the representation as a percentage. Okay. The next part here is our lines of reasoning. And as we see here, we've explained what we're doing. We've found out what the events are. We've found out, used the model to come up with how many outcomes there are, and we've reached a conclusion here. So we've done each of the things that's required in criterion C. Thank you.